Hey guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to walk you through Kajabi's pricing to help you decide which plan is best for your online business. Kajabi is known as a premium platform because it combines lots of tools into one, but choosing the right plan can feel tricky. Before we dive into the video, if you want to try Kajabi for free, I have a special link that gives you a 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days. As a bonus, you'll get my Kajabi course and $900 worth of premium Notion templates for free. So use the link in the description to get instant access to both. Now, let's get started. First up, there's the Kickstarter plan for $89 a month. It's great if you're just getting started. You can have one website with your own custom domain and one product, like a digital course or a coaching program. It also comes with a dedicated community space. On top of that, it lets you manage up to 250 contacts and send 7,500 emails a month, which is usually sufficient in the beginning. Plus, you get unlimited landing pages, AI tools to help with writing and planning content, and Creator Studio that turns videos into short clips for social media. To make things even easier, they include a group onboarding call to help you get set up. If you're a beginner and want something simple, this is the plan for you. But if you're growing and need more options, the basic plan could work better. It costs $149 a month and still includes one website. But now you can create up to 3 products. This means you can have your community plus courses, workshops or coaching packages all at the same time. You also get space for 10,000 contacts and emails are unlimited, which makes it easier to grow your business. Plus, there are helpful third-party integrations like MailChimp or ClickFunnels that automate tasks and save time. The basic plan is a good choice if your subscriber list is getting bigger and you need more flexibility. Next, there's the growth plan for $199 per month. It's Kajabi's most popular plan. You can create up to 15 products, which is great if your business is growing quickly. You also get space for 25,000 contacts and unlimited marketing emails. Plus, you'll have 24/7 chat support, tools to run an affiliate program, and custom email domain options to make your brand stand out. This plan also includes custom branding, which means you can even remove Kajabi's logo from your site. Plus, this plan lets you add multiple admin users, which is super useful if you have a team or a virtual assistant. Finally, you'll get access to advanced automation features through webhooks. Lastly, the Pro plan costs $399 a month and is perfect for advanced users handling multiple brands or a big product catalog. It lets you manage up to 3 websites and allows space for 100 products. This works well if you're creating a large online marketplace. Your contact limit is huge at 100,000 and you can send unlimited emails and create unlimited landing pages. Plus, you can edit custom code to make your website truly unique. But keep in mind, custom code needs regular maintenance. This plan is a smart choice for established businesses that need maximum flexibility. It's a good idea to grow your business first before moving to this level. Kajabi also makes it easy to upgrade as your business grows. You won't lose any content or have downtime. So start with a plan matching your current needs and scale when you're ready. Alright, that's it for this video. If you want to try Kajabi for free, I have a special link in the description that gives you a 30-day free trial. As a thank you for using my link, you'll get instant access to my Kajabi course and $900 worth of premium templates for free. So check the link below and I'll see you in the next video.